Hello, my name is Parker Humphrey. I'm an AS280. This is my second critique for the narrative series. Right now I'm critiquing Charles Sprinkles. I have to say I love your last name if you're hearing this, or their last name, and that is such a fun last name. So as I was looking through your narrative, I'll be honest with you, I didn't really understand what was going on. Something about depression and taking your medication. Besides that, I just kind of didn't really understand what was going on. But I mean, most of your pictures were okay. There was one picture of a horse, stick laying down on the ground. That just didn't make a lot of sense to me. But this picture is definitely a picture that I just don't think is effective at all. I don't get it. I don't understand your composition. Your lighting in it is very good. You picked a good time to go out and take the photographs. But, yeah, I just don't understand what this picture is trying to tell us. It's pretty gross and a little bit disturbing, so maybe that's what you're trying to get at. But like I said, I'm just a little bit confused. Definitely, if I would have retaken this photo, I honestly probably wouldn't have just even taken it. But I would definitely take out that technical box. That big green thing is very distracting. I don't know if that's what's supposed to be in focus. I don't know if the trash is what's supposed to be in focus. I don't know if the trees are what's supposed to be in focus. But yeah, honestly, I think that I just don't understand what this picture is supposed to come across as and what my attention is supposed to be drawn towards. Right now, it's kind of drawn towards the green trees, and then I look at the trash, I'm just very upset that there's all this trash on the ground. Just a little bit disturbing for me. So maybe I would, if you're, want the trash to be what's effective in this photo, get really close to the trash. Don't take this photo from such a far angle. Yeah, it's just the grass in the right bottom corner. Sometimes that is what my focus is on. So I just think that there's a lot going on in this photo. And it just needs to be condensed down to make the point of this photo come across very, in a much more clear way. Like I said, the lighting in it is awesome. And, I guess you could have picked an area that was a lot more distracting, like maybe with cars and stuff in the background. The background does kind of blur it out, but still, it's just, if I retook this photo, I would definitely just get in on what is the photo is supposed to be taken of. Or you can just crop it if that's what you want. Like if the left side is what's supposed to be, which is pretty boring, but that's what it's supposed to be focused on, focus on that side. The right side is what's supposed to be on, focus on that side. Alright, I will critique my next critique after this one. Thank you.